Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you the new Picatinny scope mount from Clevercraft. It fits Crosman 1377 and 1322 pistols with plastic breech. This kit's available on eBay for about $30. If you have this gun, you're probably familiar with the rear sight. Adjustment is cumbersome and it's prone to losing position easily. Putting a red dot or a scope on this gun should really improve its accuracy, and I'm going to show you some footage of some longer range shooting. Inside the box we have the mounting bracket, directions, 2 hex keys, mounting hardware, and a Picatinny rail from Monstrum. The bracket slides over the barrel and is secured by 2 set screws. It's then anchored to the gun by the screw at the back of the breech. Okay, I've installed the scope mount on this gun. The directions are clear and simple, and it is very sturdy. I'm going to install this scope and dial it in. I've mounted an inexpensive long-eye scope from Tackfire. I'll be shooting at 30 yards. This is the kind of accuracy you can expect from a stock Crosman pistol with a Picatinny scope mount from Clevercraft.